Meaning of generic.
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 Generic. Generic refers to something that is not specific to one particular brand, model, or individual. It is a term used to describe a product, medication, or concept that is produced for general use or consumption, rather than tailored to meet specific requirements. For example, a generic drug is a medication that contains the same active ingredient as a brand name drug, but is produced and sold without the brand name. In essence, generic implies a lack of distinctiveness, as something that is common, simple, and widely applicable across different contexts,